Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you disable passcode for your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to disable the passcode for your Trust wallet, you just simply have to open your Trust wallet application, and after that just simply unlock your Trust wallet by entering your passcode right now, and after that select this gear option into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see a bunch of options. Just simply select the security option below preferences, tap there, and then unlock your security section again. And now after doing this much, you will get to see this passcode option enabled. You just simply have to disable this toggle for passcode, and after tapping into there, you'll again have to enter your passcode or biometric. Just simply do that and your passcode will successfully be enabled, and you will no more need the passcode in order to log in into your Trust wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.